Hey crafty people, it's Desiree from DemaliHandcrafts, and I just wanted to do a small unboxing to share all of the really cool stamps that are in the store. So right here you'll see that these are from the Woodward craft collection. Here is this adorable fairy door, and again you will find this in the Woodward craft collection area. Here is a gnome. Look how cute he is. And this one is called Flower Power Gnome. Oh my gosh, you know I'm loving all of the flowers. Look at how fun. Here is Valentine Gnome. And I mean, you can truly use this for any other kind of event. That'd be so cute for a fun, whimsical wedding. It'd be fun just giving some hearts to a new baby, a new home. I don't think that this should just be for Valentine's Day, even though, look at those cute hearts. Then we've got, oh my goodness, this is the bee gnome. How cute is that? Look at the little bee and look at his antennae. Cool, right? This is Garden Gnome. You know I'm loving him. Look at the flower and the butterfly, the snail. How cute is that snail? Gnome wishes, if friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Oh, how cute. Garden Gnome. Really cute, right? Here are these fun, tall stamps that you can use for slim lines. And this one is called Magical Mushrooms. So you have those tall mushrooms. And then you have the little guy right there. Isn't he cute? All the things are possible if you believe. All things are possible if you believe. Have a magical day. Hello there, my friend. Those are just some of those sayings for magical mushrooms. Oh, sorry about the glare, guys. I'm getting great light from Olivia. Then we have the three gnomes together, which say, you know me so well. Gnome wishes from all of us. The gnome did it. Chilling with my gnomie. How funny. And this one is three gnomes. You can use those straight across. You can use them individually. You can multiply them, right, on a slim line. How cool is that? Then we have our Studio Light line, and these are the art by Marlene. Love, love, love her. Look at how beautiful these are dies, and they're called circle shaped. Look at that. I believe that these are individual here in the inside. I totally love them. Then we have Geo Mandala. How pretty. Look at the flower, right? The rose you can do. And here is one of her fun sets. And this one's called Road Trip. Look at her with the earth. How perfect is she for April? Just making everyone aware about Earth Day. And look at her as everyone is wishing to go on their road trip now. This one is Paint Your Heart Out. And look at her. Those beautiful glasses. I love them. The fun tail. There's some waves. You can make many, many waves or just some. And nice plants for under the water. How cool. That's cool. Looks really cute. She does such a fun job. Oh. Wham bam. Okay. Then we have her two Paper Elements collection, and this one is called Line Collection. And I just want to give you a little flip through. They're so cute. Vibrant. The colors are gorgeous, you guys. They're fun. They're whimsical. You can add them to your pages. You can create tags. You get two of each sheet. See that? How cool is that? That one is Line Collection. And you have more than 250 elements. So that's the first book. One of them is number 3 and one of them is number 4. This one is Mint Collection. So This one's really pretty. Look at the ladies, guys. I love that she makes realistic looking like ladies, you know? We are plump, we are luscious, and beautiful. Look at that. Fun, fun. Oh, she even gives you body parts so you can kind of make your own doll. See that? I love it. This hippo is so funny. Oh. So, I just wanted to share. These are all up on the website. We put them up 2 days ago, I think. So, when you get a chance, feel free to go on to DemaliHandcrafts.com and place your order. If you are going to pick up from me, of course, put pick up in store. Talk to you soon. Have a great one.